Welcome to qnawire.
So here, before we do anything, we need to find the x and y components of a, b, and c. So a sub x, b sub x, c sub x. Let's solve. This is going to be 44.0 cosine of 28 degrees. This is going to be negative 26.5 cosine of 56 degrees. This will be 31.0 times cosine of 270 degrees. Let's solve. So this is going to be 38.85. This will be negative 14.82, and this will be 0. A sub y is going to be 44.0 sine of 28 degrees. B sub y would be equal 26.5 sine of 56 degrees. And C sub y would equal 31.0 sine of 270 degrees. We can automatically say that this is going to be negative 31.0. This is going to be 21.97. And this is equaling 20.66. And so now we can solve. For A, let's just get a new workbook. For part A, we have B minus 2 times A. Let's evaluate the x component first. So this will be negative 14.82 minus 2 times positive 38.85. This is giving us negative 92.52. Let's do the y component. This will be 21.97 minus 2 times 20.66. This is giving us negative 19.35. And so both components are negative. So here, it'll be the third quadrant. And given this, we can let's do the vector form. J hat, and then find the magnitude. So this will be the square root of the sum of the squares. Negative 92.52 quantity squared plus negative 19.35 quantity squared, all to the 1/2 power. This is giving us 94.5 approximately. And then we can solve for theta, the angle. This will be arctan of the y component, 19.35, divided by the x component, 92.52. And this is equaling 11.8 degrees. And this would be below negative x axis in order for the vector to lie, again, in the third quadrant. So this would be our magnitude, and this would be our direction. For B, we have that 2 times A minus 3B plus 2C. Let's do the x component first. This will be 2 times 38.85 minus 3 times negative 14.82. My apologies for it being cramped. Plus 2 times 0.0. And this is equaling 122.16. Let's do the y component. This is equaling 2 times 20.66 minus 3 times 21.97, and then plus 2 times negative 31.0. This is giving us negative 86.59. And we have a positive x and a negative y, so this is going to lie in the fourth quadrant. Again, we want to find the magnitude. And this is going to equal 122.16 squared plus negative 86.59 squared, all to the 1/2 power. And this is equaling 150 approximately. My apologies. Let's write it in vector form as well. Uh, 122.16. You always want to write it in vector form. Simply giving the components is not enough because we want to write the I hat and the j hat. So negative 86.59 j hat. So that would be the vector form. And then finally, we can go to the angle. This will be arctan of the y component divided by the x component. So this will be 86.59 divided by 122.16. And this is giving us approximately 35.3 degrees. And you always have to take into account which quadrant is lying. It is lying in the fourth quadrant. So this will be 35.3 degrees below positive x-axis. So this would be our magnitude, and this would be our direction. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.